Imagine landing high paying local clients without spending a dime on ads and building fully done for you websites ready to sell in just minutes. If you're tired of slow traffic, confusing tech, or struggling to make sales online, stick around because I'm showing you a system that can change that today. Local Spotlight Fortune is a complete plug and play solution for anyone wanting to tap into the booming local marketing space. My first impression, it's packed with done for you websites, content, marketing tools, and even AI powered prompts that make landing clients almost effortless. If you take action, this could be a serious income booster. So, what is Local Spotlight Fortune? At its core, it's a system to help you build local marketing websites, target local businesses, and start earning commissions fast. Here's who it's for: new or experienced marketers wanting local clients, anyone who hates spending hours designing websites or writing content, marketers looking for a ready to go system that includes DFY websites, images, content, and promotional materials. The best part? You don't need prior experience, email lists, or ad budgets. The system handles most of the heavy lifting for you. Let's take a quick look inside the dashboard. You've got done for you WordPress websites for 40 local niches, fully preloaded with content, images, and even top list posts. DFI promotional videos and social media images make it easy to market these sites instantly. There's a GPT pack that lets you offer additional marketing services or upsell local clients. With optional upgrades, you can extend your websites to 70 plus niches, get ad templates, email and phone scripts, and even start a full blown AI store with thousands of GPTs ready to sell. Everything is designed to be user friendly, so you can deploy sites in minutes and start pitching local businesses immediately.
Hi, I'm Don, and welcome to Local Spotlight Fortune. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and start using your brand new Local Spotlight website. This is my latest done-for-you system, complete with training and marketing materials, all built around a one-of-a-kind top local business concept. Here's the idea. You'll have a professional top business website that lets you feature, promote, and spotlight local businesses in your city. You can charge for sponsored listings, sell ad placements, or use it to attract clients for your agency services, all from one ready-to-launch website. Now let me give you a quick tour of your Local Spotlight website. At the top, you'll see a bold, eye-catching hero section with rotating banners and sliders featuring 8 main business categories. Next comes the popular listings section, followed by an introduction module and a showcase of your latest top business lists, complete with ad placements on the right. A bit further down, there are dedicated spotlight sections for major industries like healthcare and home services. Now, let's explore a sample top list post. For example, top roofing contractors in Orlando. Each post starts with an introduction that offers helpful tips for choosing the right roofer, followed by your ranked list. At the very top is the sponsored listing spot, an exclusive premium ad placement you can offer for around $397 per month to just one business per niche. In the sidebar, you can add up to 2 more ad spots, giving you extra flexibility and revenue potential. The exclusivity of these placements makes them easy to sell. Finally, let's head to one of the main category pages, beauty and personal care. This page displays all listings related to that industry. And just like before, you can feature ads here as well, giving your sponsors even more visibility across your site. Now let's go through the installation process. It's easy. We'll assume you already have a WordPress site set up with your own domain and hosting. First, go to the Plugins section and click Add New. Search for WP Vivid and install the first one that shows up. This is the backup plugin we'll use to install the site. Next, head into the WP Vivid interface and click Upload. You'll see a box where you can drag and drop your backup file. This file is available in your member area. It's lightweight and usually uploads in about a minute. Once it's uploaded, hit Restore and give it another minute or so. The restore process usually takes just a few minutes, depending on your hosting speed. Most standard hosting plans can handle it easily. If you run into any issues during installation, simply visit the troubleshoot page included in your member area for quick, step-by-step solutions. When that's done, log in with the default username and password provided. And just like that, you're in the dashboard of your new Local Spotlight site. Let's take a quick look at the homepage. And yes, it looks exactly like the demo. Now let's move to the back end. When you set up your site for your own area, you'll first want to delete all the default Orlando posts I've included as samples. Next, go to the Local Spotlight plugin. This is where I've added a built-in instant generator that lets you create location-based posts in seconds. Just type in your city or area name, click Generate, and the system will automatically create 40 ready-made posts featuring local business categories for your chosen area. With Local Spotlight Fortune, you'll never have to start from scratch. Everything, from the website design to the content structure, is ready to help you launch fast, attract attention in your city, and start selling sponsored ad spots and listings right away. It's designed to give you a professional, high-value presence that businesses will want to be featured on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.
Local Spotlight. Fortune comes with several optional upgrades. OTO1, upgrade package, $37. Extra niches plus commercial license to sell sites for 100% profit. OTO2, marketing materials, $47. More ad templates, social posts, cold email, and phone scripts. OTO3, AI Store Fortune, $127. 300 GPTs ready to sell with full store and promotion materials. OTO4 Web Agency Fortune Bundle, 70 DFY websites plus unlimited commercial rights. OTO5 Local Directory Bundle, $347. 5 complete local directory websites. Each upgrade is optional, but combined, they turn this system into a complete local marketing empire. And here's where it gets even sweeter. If you grab Local Spotlight Fortune through my link today, you'll get exclusive bonus tools that instantly supercharge your results. WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact slideshows for engagement. Lead Book Generator. Automatically collect Facebook leads into your email list. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to emails and pages to boost conversions. Action Poll. Segment your list for higher opt-ins and sales. Article Analyzer. Get SEO-targeted traffic with optimized content. Website Pouch Pro. Hide or display content instantly to improve site UX. Sociultima. Free social media traffic booster across multiple platforms. Affiliate System for product owners. Easily manage your own affiliates. WP Video Focus. Keep visitors engaged as they scroll your site. Coupon Wheel. Gamify your offers to increase conversions. Remember, these bonuses are exclusive and won't be available anywhere else, so grabbing them today is a no-brainer. Local Spotlight. Fortune is perfect for beginners and seasoned marketers alike. Fully done-for-you websites, content, marketing materials, and AI-powered tools make landing clients faster than ever. But here's the catch. These exclusive bonuses expire in 48 hours or are limited to 25 buyers only. Once they're gone, this massive stack disappears. Click the link below right now to secure your copy and grab these 10+ powerful bonus tools. Don't miss out. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more faceless marketing tools and strategies. Once you click the link, your bonuses will be delivered instantly, along with Local Spotlight Fortune, so you can start building your local marketing business today, not tomorrow. Go ahead, hit that link now, and claim your bonuses before they're gone.